Here I've got Ulefone Armor 6E, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first we would use secret code. You have to open your phone dialer at first, click on the keypad and enter a code which is *6#. And as you can see now you have both IMEI numbers and also serial numbers located here. Simply click on OK to go back, and you can also find those numbers in the settings. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and choose System. Then go to the Advanced and pick About Phone, and here scroll down a bit. Over here you can find IMEI information, and under Model and Hardware you'll read serial number assigned to your Ulefone. So that would be all. This is how you can locate both IMEI and serial numbers assigned to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.